If you need to email a group of people, there's no need to memorize email addresses or keep a list of contacts someplace else. Mailtrack has created lists so you can manage and send tracked emails to different groups. Want to add all your work contacts to a single mailing list in Gmail? Just add their addresses and give the list a name you'll easily remember. Or maybe you want to keep a mailing list of family and friends. No problem. Mailtrack Lists has got your back. There's no need for Excel or Google spreadsheets. No need to leave Gmail and get lost navigating between different windows and tabs. Now you've created the lists you need. It's easy to send them tracked emails and know if they were opened. Select the mailing list you want to reach out to. Then choose to compose a Mailtrack campaign or an email. Write your message as you would do normally and hit Send to track it with Mailtrack. Later on, you can go to your Sent folder to see when and how many times your message has been read and clicked. As easy as email should be. Visit Mailtrack.io to install Mailtrack on your mobile and learn about all our productivity features.